Today we're going to be installing a Pro Race GP-S1 slip-on the Kawasaki Z900. Here's what the exhaust looks like. Pretty cool. First thing we have to do is take this heat shield and this heat shield off. Okay, one heat shield. That one slides back and off, and that stays in there. I think I'm going to put this one back in just so that thing doesn't rattle around. I have a heat shield coming, just not here yet. Got a carbon fiber heat shield that's gonna go right there. Should look nice. Now, locate the bolt, which is under here. Looks like a 10. Yes, it is a 10. Grab the 12. So now, loosen this bolt. Just a little bit, and then we need to take the hanger bolt out, and it has a nut on the back. Hopefully you can see that. So we'll grab a wrench. It's a 14. That does not want to come loose. There we go. Take the nut off and pull this bolt out. So it had a washer on the outside. And then we should just be able to rotate this bad boy off. Oh yeah, that's satisfying. That weighs a ton. Okay, now for the new one. Loosen the clamp up a little bit. Slide that right on. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Think about like that's good. Maybe just a touch back. Yeah, I like that. Alright. Now let's figure out what size this is. Okay, cool. It's the same size. It's a 10. So let's see if I can get a socket in here without an extension. I like to put it somewhere where I can get a tool on it for the future. nice and tight. Very tight. Tight like a tiger. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Very nice. And now I'm going to put this bolt back in. Okay, the finished product. Come back. Oh, I forgot one thing. Gotta put our baby heat shield back on. Alright. That's it. I'd say it's tight enough. Yep. Now we're just going to clean the pipe off with some WD-40 before we get it hot, and I'll come back and let you hear how it sounds. Looks pretty sick. It's the cold start of the Z900 with the new Pro Race GP-S1 slip-on. Looks pretty sweet. Sounds even better. So, this is a cold start. Bike's been sitting all night. And here's a warm start of the Z900 with the GP-S1 Pro Race slip-on. I think it sounds amazing. Okay, so overall I am very happy with the GP-S1 slip-on exhaust for the Z900. It exceeded my expectations. It sounds amazing. The quality is really good. As you can see, the weld's beautiful. And it weighs probably less than half of what the stock muffler weighed. So overall, this is an awesome upgrade for the Z900. It's not too loud, not too obnoxious. When you get on it, it has a awesome howl, but at idle it's almost the same as stock, just a little more bass. So overall, I would highly recommend it, and I'm gonna be trying to post a video once a week. So if you guys would drop a comment or give me a like, that would help me out.
and subscribe if you want. There'll be more content like this coming, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.